Welcome back, viewers. In today's video, we are going to check out the Fedora design suite. So this is the website of Fedora design suite, and it is part of the labs, Fedora labs. So Fedora labs is a collection of distro or ISOs for the specific usage by specific users. So if you just go at the bottom, you will find it. So the labs contain the ISO for astronomy, the neurocom, then design suite is there, games is there, Fedora Jam is there, Python classroom is there, scientific ISO is there, and the security lab is there. So Fedora main desktop is there, so it is a GNOME desktop, so that is called Fedora GNOME desktop, or the flagship desktop of Fedora Linux distribution. But it also has other flavors, pins and labs. So here you can see the atomic desktops like Silverblue, Kinoite, Sway Atomic, and the Budgie Atomic is there. So normally for general users, the workstation, that is the Fedora GNOME desktop or the GNOME workstation is there. Fedora server is there. Fedora Core OS is there. Fedora IoT is there, and the Fedora cloud is there. So most of the times in on the YouTube, you will see reviews about the workstation, maybe sometimes Core OS, but this all spins, labs and atomic desktops, nobody takes a review, but we are going to do that. So we will do it step by step, one by one. We cannot do all everything in a very short time. It will take some time. It will take some months to check out all the different ISOs that are available in the Fedora project. So you might have seen KDE desktop, XFC, Cinnamon desktop. People use this. This is all generally used desktop. So people who don't like GNOME, they will use this spins. So these are called spins. What is SOS desktop or Sugar desktop, that we will see. Sway tiling, maybe few users are using, and Budgie desktop also very few, limited number of users will be using that. That is also very nice desktop. So that also we will check one by one. So today we will just keep it related to Fedora design suite only. So it includes favorite tools used for open source multimedia production and publishing. So if you want to publish CD sleeves, if you want to publish desktop backgrounds, if you want to do web page designs, application interfaces, flyers, posters, everything. So for that reason, the Fedora design suite is perfectly suitable for your design requirements. And if you want to do document publication to vector or bitmap editing or 3D modeling, so that for that Blender is there. So the design suite has applications for the users who are into this design domain. And if you are doing video production also, then also the Fedora design suite is most suitable for you. So you can find the documentation here. Release notes is there, so you can just click and read the release notes and documentation. Download is there, but right now the download button is not working because the design suite version 40 is not available directly. You can get it from the torrent server. So I checked the torrent server, but you see still, let me check. In torrent server, let us see, the design suite is there. I think the design suite is not there. So what I did is I installed the Fedora design suite 39 version, and then I upgraded it to version 40. So upgradation path is there, so you can able to upgrade from 39 to 40, but a direct ISO or a torrent link is still not available. So it will be available in the next few days, or maybe by next month it will be available. So keep this in mind. So you have to just go here and download the version 39. Here you have to download this as a torrent, install it, and then you can upgrade it using the sudo dnf upgrade command, or you can directly do it from the software store, GNOME software store. And you can verify the JPG keys of the ISO. You can see it here. The process is given here, how to do it. Just some of the applications that are available here: GIMP, Inkscape, Blender, Darktable, Krita, Scribus, Sparkle Share. So Sparkle Share is a file sharing based on Git. So you can share, backup, and collaborate on design assets. And the PTV is there. So PTV is a powerful multi-track non-linear video editor that includes editing, transcoding, effects, and transitions. So you can use this for your video productions, and of course you can install many more applications that are available in the Fedora repositories. So now we will stop here. In the next video we will check out the actual desktop that I have installed for you. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.